Hey fam, we're going to jump right on into this get ready with me video. I started off my morning with a little yoga and meditation, and this is not a morning routine video. I've already done one of those, but for me to get mentally ready, which is part of my getting ready, I love to start the day like this. Now, every morning does not go this way, but this morning I was able to get in some yoga and meditation. And then after that, we'll jump right on into the rest of this video. Welcome back, and if you're new here, thank you so much for joining us. Much love, fam, and welcome back. Today we're going to do a little get ready with me. It's been a minute since we had a chat, or I feel like we have, so I felt like that's what we'll do today while I quickly get ready because I have to head out in a bit with my son and finish up some other things. So this is going to be a quick get ready with me. I keep seeing this little and I thought something was messing up with my camera, but it is the ceiling fan in the background. So last night I started with my farewell beauty. If you guys saw one of the other videos, I did a pomade type of color. Didn't turn out so hot. Not doing that again. I'll link above to that, but I went back to this. I had a small amount left over, and I still have a small amount left over. So I wound up putting that on last night and then braiding up my hair so I can have a little braid out today. I braided it up and put a band on the bottom and then just slept like that overnight with my bonnet on. Now I only did the top portion, front portion with the color. The back I didn't add any color to it because I just wanted kind of a pop of color around. Yeah, that's it. So I'm going to take those out. And while I'm doing that, I did, just to let you know, since it's a get ready, I know it's not really a what do you call that? Morning routine. I have done my morning routine before, so I'll again link to that. I won't get into all of that, but I did do my yoga this morning. I did my meditation. I'm having my tea right now, and I mention that because number one, that's super important for me and my self-care, maybe for you all as well. Let me know down below how you start your mornings and start doing your get ready with me's or get ready with yourselves. But for me, I started doing this, I guess I challenged myself that I'll open one of these front ones so you can really see it. Here's the back one. And the back one I loosely braided because y'all know I don't like anything tight pulling on my hair, and especially that back part. So these ones I braided a little bit smaller and a little bit tighter, but still not tight at the roots. I challenged myself to do yoga and meditation every day because I had been doing it 3, 4, 5 times a week, but I thought, let's see what happens when I do it every day. And on, nice little crinkle there. I did not add any water to my, paint, color paint, hair paint. It just, whatever the paint was, however moist it was, and braided it up. Okay, so, so I challenged myself to do that. And I usually do yoga with Adrienne on YouTube. I love her different yoga series. So that's usually who I'm doing. And then I found this 21-day meditation. It's with Deepak Chopra, and Alicia Keys kind of introduces it. and she's doing it as well, or did it. It already passed, I think, or they already started, so I'm behind. But so I've been doing that each day. It's super easy, or I would say user friendly if you haven't meditated before, because it's a nice little, they explain it first and then kind of guide you, and then you kind of do your own meditation. So I've been doing those every day, and I just want to, see what improvements I have after. Their thing is 21 days, but I'm doing it for 30 days, and just up my yoga and meditation and see what happens with that. So I will check back in with you on that. And like I said down below, let me know how you are doing, what you are up to today. It's during the week. I promised my son I'd take him to the store for some Legos. So we're going to do that. It opens in a bit, and I told him we'll be there right when it opens, because he has been working on some things as well, and so this is his reward. So we're going to do that. And then my daughter has ballet later, so I like to do my me time yoga, my running, my hiking, my meditation during the morning time. Also, that lets me, if I do it, even better if I do it before anyone else gets up, that's even better, because I really feel like I just have my time. But you'll see, I think I showed it, or I will show it. When I was doing it this morning, my son was up, so he was talking my head off during it the whole time, which is fine too. That's okay, because the whole point of yoga is to, go within and to be able to do it anywhere. So that's okay too. He was having his breakfast and we were chatting. So I'm going to finish taking these guys down, and then we can finish getting ready and get me out the door. So no, we're not down. We've got one more here. But if you are curious as to the Farewell Beauty, it does not, that's how much I have on my hands, and I'm really fiddling in my hands, just on my fingertips here. And if I was just touching my hair like regular throughout the day, I would have nothing. That is what one of the things I really like about this stuff. Shipping is not so hot, but anyways, if you're more curious, I put links down below if you wanted to purchase. And then also I have another one here. Also, the video where I really go into it and show how I put it on and all that good stuff is up there. But this is what I'm looking like. Ugh! I'm really, really liking it. It's a nice little crinkle here and some body and fullness. Just going to put just a tad bit of little concealer here for my little eyes. I am so bad, you guys, with rubbing my eyes. I have dry eyes, number one. I talk about that in my morning routine video as well. So if you have dry eyes too, check that out. And I show what I do, but I'm bad at rubbing my eyes. And so when I do that a lot, I tend to get even darker little spots here, semicircles, moons. So I really need to knock that off. Also, rubbing your eyes just is not good for your eyes, right? But I tell myself don't do it, but especially at night when I'm not thinking, I'll rub instead of putting my eye drops in or doing a little treatment or something. I will rub. So I'm just putting a tiny bit of this on. I cannot really stand makeup all over my face or any type of concealer or anything everywhere. So I just put where this. occasionally. And that's what we do. Throw this on. Yeah, but about dry eyes is, I've had that for a while, longer than I even knew I had dry eyes. I had the symptoms, but didn't know what it was all about. But yeah, so just like that. That's it. On the top, and then I've got I just got this, no, I didn't just get this. I just got this from Pacifica, Stellar Gaze. And it's not, to be very honest with you, it's not all that as far as mascaras go, but it gives a little something. Like, it makes you look like you did a little, you made a little effort. And then this is just to ink it. It's like a dark, it's called charcoal ink from CoverGirl, and it is cruelty free and vegan charcoal ink. And I bought this because I had a coupon at CVS, so I purchased it. I don't love it, but again, it makes you look like you're making a little effort, you know, like you're doing a little something. And that's all I'm looking for these days. Just a little effort. I just put a little smoke. I guess you'll call it a little smoke at the top lid. It's not really lined. It just makes it a little smoky, a little something. Sometimes I do the bottom. I'll do the bottom today a little bit. But me and the way my dry eyes is and my contact lenses, the bottom bothers me sometimes. But that's more if I'm trying to do a very defined line and using the liquid liner. I'm going to do that. I'm going to use my Stellar Gaze. See, it just gives you like, you know, you did a little something. There we go. I wanted to begin to look a little bit more put together sometimes. With COVID and just with everything in my general lifestyle, I'm in yoga pants all day, very comfortable cutoff shirts. I'm wearing a cutoff sweater now. But I thought, ooh, if I throw on my jewelry, a little necklace, a little rings, and just do those 2 or 3 things, then, you know, a little more put together and make a little effort for myself, you know. I almost forgot my lips. I was going to use this just clear one, but I think I'm going to use a little bit. This is just, what's it called? Butter gloss. So it's got just a little color in it. So I'm going to use that. A little bit because it's so thick. And that's it. I'm ready. So you guys, thank you so much for chatting with me and getting ready with me today. If you haven't already, definitely let me know how you are doing below. And I will see you all in another few days. All right. Have a great, great day or weekend, week, whenever you're watching this. Okay.